Hey Fit Queens, so the next 21-day challenge starts soon. This challenge, we're going to be focused on building the butt and shredding that waist, the 21-day build and shred. In this challenge, you're going to get meal plans, you're going to get 21 days of butt building, waist shredding workouts, you're going to get coaching calls with me where you get to hop on the phone with me, ask me questions, pick my brain, whatever you need to make sure that you rock this challenge. Also, as always, there's going to be some cash prizes. The last ladies of my 21-day challenge lost so much weight. They were losing 5 pounds, 10 pounds. Some even lost 20 pounds within the 21 days.
I lost 18 pounds in 21 days.
I've completed 2 of the 21-day keto challenges. Lost a total of 22 pounds.
Key points that I felt helped me on my journey. Number 1, accountability. Number 2, meal prep. Number 3, the workouts. Number 4, the weight loss.
So trust me, you don't want to miss out. If you want to join in on the next challenge, make sure you click that link and register, and let's go.